Our first award tonight is our Miss Professionalism. Candidate number 4, Shakira Shermaine Islam. Representing to our next award, we have Miss Cafe Mystica. Miss Cafe Mystica is candidate number 4, Shakira Shermaine Islam. Miss Laquita Bastiel is candidate number 4. Michaela's Pizza's Choice Award is candidate number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, CSBR, it's now time for us to name and reveal the winners of our second set of special and minor awards. The award is Miss Sakalau Resto Bar. Our Miss Sakalau Resto Bar is candidate number 4. Our Gandam K Salon is candidate number 4. And our Miss Dumagat the Kansi House is candidate number 4. Our Miss Tejero Ice Cream is candidate number 4. Our Best in Production number is candidate number 4. And our Best in Playwear is candidate number 4. Our Best in School Uniform is candidate number 4, Shakira Shermaine Islam. We are down to the last 2 minor awards tonight. Up next is our Best Speaker. Today is our Best Speaker. The judges have decided that this award goes to candidate number 4,